It's a nice spring day out. Fired up the grill for the first time. Gonna have some steaks. And I thought I'd use this time before the sun went down to introduce the new chickens. There's the pond. Pond still needs a lot of work. Got this problem called liner float, where water has gotten underneath the liner and is pushing up on it. So no fish yet for the liner for the pond, but that's going to be a project in a few weeks. There's Jackie taking a nice dust bath. Hey Jackie. And over here we have our new ones. And I forget what William named them. I think that's Jasmine and that's Buttercup. Nice little barred rock back there. Just moved them out. Just moved them out to the coop Monday, so they've only been out a few days, but they're adjusting well and learning real quick how to do everything a chicken needs to do. Scratching, looking for bugs. What you up to, huh? Yeah. Oh, come here. I got nothing for you. Come here. It's okay, it's okay. Ugh. Oh, a little wound up today. The brown ones are always a little more tame than the black ones. But they're doing really good. Got them from Tractor Supply. They were like something like $5 a piece, something like that, $4 or $5. Jackie is taking to them pretty well. No problems. I was a little worried about introducing them, but no problems at all. She's a good bird. Good mother. She was even feeding them a little bit. So there we go. Give you an update when they get a little bigger.